Salamat. Hindi ko inaasahan ito.
Hello, kay Sir Sherwin Lontok po. Sir, pwede po kayo dito? Sino po si Sir Sherwin? Kayo, sir? Ay, sir, pumarinig kayo at kayo daw po ay may in-order daw po kayo, sir. Naka-box po, 2 box. Oh, sige po. Hindi po namin alam, sir. Sa inyo po nakapangalan dito po sa Barangay Santo Niño. Surprise!
Po sa inyo.
A blessed birthday greetings to my love. Today is your special day. Wishing you a good health always and may God continue to guide and protect you always. Thank you for being sweet and caring husband even though we are far from each other. Happy birthday my love. I love you always. Your wife, Lani. Ayan.
So ngayon, sir, narinig mo na, sir, ang binasa ko pong message for you. So ano po ba, sir, ang gusto niyo pong ipaabot para po sa kanya, sir?
Salamat. Hindi ko inaasahan ito. Thank you.
Ayan, so Sir Sherwin, ngayon pong natanggap nyo na po ang birthday gift ng inyo pong wife. So ngayon po, muli binabati ka namin, Sir Sherwin, ang happy birthday! Ayan, Sir Sherwin, dahil na birthday mo today, aawitin ka po namin ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sabay-sabay po tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, Sir Sherwin, I'll make a wish po and then I'll blow the candle po, sir.
Upload.
Ayan, so Sir Sherwin, once again, happy birthday po! Ayan, at kami na po ay magpapakilala para po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang Rain Surprise Delivery all the way from Barangay Calicanto, San Juan, Batangas. At binabati ka namin, Sir Sherwin, ang happy birthday!
To you, happy birthday.